How do you imagine the future? Maybe a better place to work and live. But how can we build it? We cannot do it alone. Let's ask some superheroes. No, let's stick to reality. Do you know about the CERIecon project?
Yeah.
It's a transnational project co-financed by the European Union involving 7 European regions that work together in a transnational network. It aims at supporting new entrepreneurial attitudes to encourage economic and social development in Central European regions by creating an ecosystem for innovation. But isn't an ecosystem that stuff about animals and plants? Yes, that's where the concept comes from. A living organism can only live and grow in a healthy, well-balanced ecosystem. An entrepreneur also needs a healthy, well-balanced ecosystem to live and grow in. Only this entrepreneurial ecosystem is made up of different influences that work together to support the entrepreneur. Influences like policy, finance, culture, supports, human resources and markets. So, you are not alone. You can be supported in your region by different universities, research and training centres, entrepreneurial organisations. By May 2019, we want to train and support at least 210 new startups in our regional ecosystems and foster a new way of learning and cooperating among companies. If you have a smart idea and you want to start a company with the idea, you can join the CERIecon ecosystem called Play Park in your region, and you will find the help you need, like training, credit access, support for your startup. We want to create new technologies, products and services that enhance our lives and create new jobs. Grow the future together.